Hello everyone. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to install WordPress locally on your system. And the first thing you need is XAMPP. XAMPP is just a PHP development environment with different packages that you need to host your website, to host your website locally on your system. So the first thing you want to do is to download XAMPP. You can download for your operating system. I'm on Windows, so I'm downloading for Windows. If you're on Linux, you download from Linux, and if you're on Mac, you download for Mac OS. So I have XAMPP already installed on my system, and this is XAMPP. You can download and install. XAMPP is pretty easy to install, so just download XAMPP and install. But I have it already installed on my system here. So the first thing I will do is to start my development environment, my Apache first, my PHP server, then the next thing is my SQL for the database. So after that, you also want to download WordPress. So I will go ahead and just type into Google download WordPress. So after that, I'll go into the first result, which is the main WordPress website. So I'll click on it. Then here I'll download WordPress here. The latest version is 6.0, so I'll go ahead and download WordPress. Okay, so after my file has been downloaded, I'll go into my folder to extract the files. So I'll extract here into this folder here. Yeah, let me just go with this. Then I'll click OK to create that folder for me. Okay, so after that, I'll click and open the folder. Then so these are my WordPress files, and after that I will copy this folder, then go into my XAMPP folder. Yeah, XAMPP is usually installed in the root folder of your system hard disk. So I'll click and then go into htdocs, this folder here, htdocs. So I'll click and go into ht folder. Then I will paste the folder I copied, the WordPress folder I copied, and paste it here. So we'll come back when it is installed. Okay, my folder has been pasted already. So you can change this folder to any name you like, depending on what kind of website you are working on. But I'll just leave it at WordPress because I'll need the name of this folder to navigate into this folder when I want to install my WordPress. Then after that, I'll go into my browser. Then since my servers are on, then I'll type here localhost / the name of that folder. For mine, it is WordPress. And I'll click on it. So we have this here, but WordPress will need some information from us. The first one is my database name, my database username, my database password, and database host. So we need to I need to create a database to have the database name. So I will go into my PHPMyAdmin to view all my database. To view is like the database dashboard in XAMPP. So this is the PHPMyAdmin dashboard. So I'll go here to create a new database. Then I'll call the database WordPress, like this. I'll call it WordPress. So I'll go ahead here and create. So our database has been created. You don't need to add any table. WordPress will do everything for us. All we just need is to come back here and click on let's go. Then here is the database name, that is database we created here. This pause, it is still WordPress, so I will just come in here and still leave it at WordPress. Then the username is root. Then the password, you would want to leave the password blank. Then host, of course, it is our local host on our system. So then the prefix, this prefix will go with every table created in the database. So this every table created in that database will have this prefix. So I'll go ahead and submit, then run my installation. Then okay, I will also give my website a name. So I can just write my site. Then a username, I just give this username. Then a password, you can give this password or change it. You can change the password, just make sure your password is safe. So I'll go ahead and copy this. I'll copy this the password, because we will need it to log in, the username and the password. We need the username and the password to log in. Then my email, then this, you may not actually need this. Then I will install. This is just for the indexing, if you actually want a search engine to index your site or not. That's what it's all about. So our website, our WordPress has been installed successfully. So after that, I will log in into the dashboard. So with my username is this, and password, I'll paste the password, then I'll log in. So here you have it. You have your WordPress dashboard locally on your system without internet connection, so you can create your WordPress site here. So you can actually visit your site here to see the front end of your site. So that's that. Thanks for watching. Please do well to like this video and also subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.